If you get a flight today for 5 a.m. in the morning, then maybe for tomorrow you will get 5 p.m. in the evening. We have to stay away from our friends and family for a long time. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megha Brol and I hope you all are doing great. In last video I have told you about the pros of being a cabin crew, and I promised that in part 2 I am going to tell you about the cons of being a cabin crew. So here I am with a new video where I am going to tell you about the cons of being a cabin crew. Without any further ado, let's get started. So the very first con of being a cabin crew is odd timings, because like other jobs, this is not 9 to 5 fixed job. Your working hours will keep on changing every single day. For example, if you get a flight today for 5 a.m. in the morning, then maybe for tomorrow you will get 5 p.m. in the evening, or at 3 in the afternoon. कुछ भी हो सकता है. So अगर आज आप नाइट में फ्लाई कर रहे हो, then हो सकता है कल आप मॉर्निंग फ्लाई करो. There is no fixed timing. You have to deal with it. You have no other option. If you are not the one who can deal with it, then this job is not for you. Please choose some other profession. You are not meant to be in this industry. So the next con would be your health issues. Of course, if you are flying at different timings, like if you are working for morning today, evening tomorrow, next day in the evening, then your health will get affect. Of course, your eating habits will gonna change, your sleeping pattern will gonna change. It will at last affect your health. So if you are not ready to sacrifice your sleeping pattern, your eating pattern, then again this job is not meant for you. Please choose some other profession. Let's go to the next con. It would be your limited holidays. Of course we do get holidays, but we don't get holidays when we want, because sometimes, जैसे for example, if you want to go to your place for Diwali or Christmas or New Year or some festival, and every crew wants to go and everyone has applied for the same day, same date कि हमें जाना है. So it's not possible for the company to approve each and every crew for their leaves. Of course ना, हर कोई चला जाएगा तो who will fly? तो कुछ जो lucky लोग होंगे they will get off, and कुछ unlucky लोग होंगे they will not get off. So this is the thing. Of course we'll get holiday, but sometimes we have to sacrifice. We cannot go home even if we want to. And I would like to add one thing, like it's also a con. We have to stay away from our friends and family for a long time, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं है कि रोज़ के रोज़ आपको छुट्टी मिल जाएगी. So it is also a con. Next con would be your exams. We undergo training for at least 3.5 months. Everyone knows this, and it's not only this कि 3 months का training हुआ, you are flying and that's it, ख़त्म हो गई बात. It's not like that. We have to pass our exams every single year. Like हर साल हम लोगों का recurrent होता है, training होता है, जिसमें we have to pass those exams, and after that only we are able to fly. Like हम लोगों के जो license होते हैं उनका कुछ particular time period होता है कि वो उसी date तक valid है, तो we have to clear those exams and then only our license will get renewed. So it is for those people who think कि cabin crew job is just putting makeup. That's it. It's not like that. पहले आपको 3 months में अपना training complete करना है, where you have to score 80. I mean these percentage also vary from airline to airline. In some airlines it's 80%, in some airlines it's 90%. If you will get those 80 or 90% as per their norms, then only you will be able to fly. तो उन लोगों के लिए है ये पॉइंट जिनको लगता है कि एक बार ट्रेनिंग हो गई, मेकअप किया और चले गए. दैट्स ऑल अबाउट कैबिन क्रू लाइफ. दैट्स ऑल अबाउट कैबिन क्रू जॉब. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. यू हैव टू पास every single exam every single year. So last but not the least, and it is the most important part, is patience. If you are patient, then you are perfect for this job. I mean amazing. अगर तुम लोगों को कुछ भी आके कोई भी कुछ भी बोल दे and तुम्हें बिल्कुल फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, then you are amazing for this job. But अगर आप ऐसे हो कि इसने मुझे ऐसा क्यों बोल दिया, why, how dare he, वो बोल कैसे सकता है, उसकी हिम्मत कैसे हो गई and all, then again, because every single day you will get different passengers. रोज़ आपको different passengers मिलेंगे and you have to deal with them. कुछ होंगे जो बहुत अच्छे होंगे और कुछ होंगे जो बेवजह गाली देंगे बिना किसी बात के. तो you have to be patient enough. अगर आप बहुत impatient हो, then again company would ask you कि ऐसा हुआ तो क्यों हुआ, ऐसा हुआ तो क्यों नहीं हुआ. They will gonna ask you and roast you. So if you are patient enough, then you are meant for this job, and if you are not patient, then again choose some other profession. So yeah, this is all about today's video. These are the cons: odd timings, health issues, limited holidays, patience, and your exams. So these are the 5 cons of being a cabin crew. अगर आप लोगों के लिए ये कुछ बड़ी बात नहीं है, then you are good to go. Please join aviation industry, and इनमें से अगर किसी भी चीज़ से आपको दिक्कत होती है, then it's your decision कि you want to join this industry or not, and choose wisely. I hope you like this video. If you do, then don't forget to hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I will be on YouTube. So yeah, I shall meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Bye.